everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I had a comment from Lovely that said, wait, how do you switch between cashback and a coupon? So I wanted to take a minute and just give you a short little tutorial on how to do that. We're going to start with this Skintimate razor deal that is going on at Kroger. As you can see here on this page that it is part of the mega sale and it does say 2 offers. If I were to click on the 2 offers in the side here, it would only give me the cash back option to click for cash back. However, when we click out of it, we're going to go onto the actual page. Now, this is on a laptop that I'm on, so you need either to get on a desktop or a laptop to see it this current way, but I will also show you how you can do it on your phone in the app. But if we click on the actual product, it's going to take you to all of these savings deal. Obviously, it's part of the mega sale. It says coupon for $4, and it also says get cash back for $4 as well. So if I want to load the coupon, I can clip that, and now that's loaded. But let's say I decided I want to go with the cash back instead. I'm going to clip on that. It's going to say, oh, nope, try other, view offer details to try again. So what happened is that coupon is clipped. So if we come back up here and unclip this coupon, now try to clip the cash back, it is now clipped. Okay. If I tried to then clip the coupon, nope, I can't do it because the cash back is clipped. So I'd have to unclip the cash back and then you can clip the coupon again. Okay, so you can decide which deal works best for you this way. Very simple and easy. And let me show you how to do it on a phone or an app in order to do this particular deal, whichever way you want. But this is the way they have eliminated you being able to use both a coupon and cashback. You do have to decide which one you want to do. In one way, it's nice because if you really would rather just save the money up front, and not have to, hand the cash over, you can use the digital coupon. If you have some sort of rebate or maybe you have a printable coupon to go with it, you could opt for the cash back so that you could still use a coupon and still use the cash back with this particular deal. All right, once you're inside the actual Kroger app, you can type in the top like I did, Skintimate razor, and it'll take you to the Skintimate razor for $5.99. Now you'll notice that the product does not have any kind of details as part, what sale it's a part of. You do see that it is on sale, but you don't know that it's a part of the mega sale. You don't know that there's any coupons attached. So you always want to actually click the item and go further into the details of that specific item. Once it loads, you're going to see something very, very similar as we did online. You can see the savings at the very bottom. You know that it's a part of the buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. And then you have the options to click the cashback or the coupon, and you can decide from there which one you would rather do. So you can see all of this in store. Hopefully that answered your question and you can decide which way you'd rather purchase your item using the Kroger cashback option or using the actual coupon. But do note that you have to pick and choose which one you would like to do. You can't do both of them anymore. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend that is needing to learn how to shop at Kroger. And of course, leave me a comment and let me know any tips or tricks that you might use when you're shopping at Kroger as well. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all of the deals that I put together for you on a regular basis. Bye, guys.